Welcome! This video covers key terms used in planting profits and basic navigation. In planting profits, a farm is a collection of different crop mixes. Crop mixes are strategies. A strategy is the most profitable mix of crops, acres, and fields and asset use for a given set of inputs. Strategies are created using your farm information and planting profits optimization algorithms. Strategies have inputs, which are your management decisions, and output measures, like estimated income. Output measures are determined by management decisions. Management decisions are things mostly under your control. Management decisions include resources like land and working capital, crop and field choices or rotations, minimum and maximum crop acreage limits, forward sales, variable production costs, which are partly under your control. Risk factors reflect variability in crop yields and prices, which is the nature of farming. Risk factors include yield forecasts, price forecasts, and variable production costs. Outcome measures are the pros and cons of each strategy. Use them to select which crop mix is the best. Outcome measures include estimated income, crop and field acreage assignments, risk profile, and conservation efforts. Strategies are created using your farm information and planting profits optimization algorithms. The approach to planning is to create new strategies and then compare them in terms of estimated income and other output measures. There are several ways to create new strategies. One way is to make a change to a strategy and save it. Another way is using the sensitivity analysis tools. The third way is to clone a strategy. This creates a copy that you can change while keeping the original. Then, compete strategies against each other. To make valid comparisons among strategies, crop yields, prices, and production costs must be the same. One more thing that's important in planning: uncertainty and its favorite son, risk. Strategies include forecasts for crop prices and yields and production costs. Forecasts are uncertainties. Uncertainties beget risks. The degree of risk is based on your crop acreage allocations and each crop's volatility. Risks should be scrutinized, then analyzed. Use the scenario tool to analyze yield and price risks. Scenarios are the only place where crop prices and yields are changed. Yields and prices are changed in Step 4 of the planning process using the scenario tool. Yields and prices are changed for all strategies at the same time. Before creating scenarios, look at the impact of high probability, high impact events. Then, analyze a couple of scenarios to see each strategy's resiliency. This may be a useful output measure to consider when selecting your best strategy. Or, if needed, make further adjustments to hone in on a better one. Balancing income, risk, and asset use is different for every producer. Here are some points to remember before leaving strategies and scenarios. Changes in a strategy are management decisions. This is different than changing underlying planning assumptions like crop yields or crop prices. If you change yields or prices, you'll have to reset your baseline strategy. Yields and prices should be held constant when creating, changing, or comparing strategies. Otherwise, you're comparing apples to oranges. Test the impact of profitability due to uncertainties in yields and prices using the scenario tool. Finally, if one strategy includes a resource and another strategy does not, it may not be a valid comparison. After you create an account and log in, you'll be on the Welcome page. There are 4 options: Training, to view training videos and webinars; Farm Profile, to download farm templates; Planting Profits, to open the planning tool; and Advisory Service, to learn more about our online planning service. The main page is Farms, Strategies, Scenarios. This is where you go to create farms, strategies, and scenarios, to compare strategies, and to print reports. The first time you log on, you'll see 2 example strategies created for you. One is a field model, and one is an acres model. These strategies have not been analyzed, so their status is in progress. To see the output, click Edit, then Review and Save. Then Analyze. The left side navigation provides access to the following resources. Learning Center, to access worksheets, training videos, FAQs, and job aids. Planning Service, to get information on Planting Profit's online production planning service. Advisors, to access advisor certification materials. Farm Data, to upload or download farm data to or from Planting Profits. And Educators, to access instructor materials. Thank you for your time. For more information, please go to www.plantingprofits.com.